while the bumper's out of the way, which is taking the taillight out. Very easy, and you don't even need to take the bumper off. So, 2 screws, 1, 2, and then you pull towards you, out towards you. I tend to like to wiggle. Makes it sort of releases the clips. Oh, there we go. There you got it. So that's how to remove taillight 2020 Civic, and let's see what these puppies are. Ooh, all right. We're gonna need these because we're putting in a blind spot system. All right, so I will get you the. Actually, let's see. What is this thing? This is. Let's see. 921. Is that what that is? 12 volt, 921.26. Let's see what that is on your Jeff Bezos store. And we'll put that back. Oh, we gotta wipe it down with our hands. So, let's see what this one is. Let's pull this guy out. Come on. And this one is Y20 WY21. Is that what that is? Or 221? Yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll put the link in the description. So we'll do that. We're gonna clean these off. The oil from your hand do make them burn out, so we have to leave them out to clean them off. Same with this guy. And this is a bigger puppy. Let's see what this guy is. Very similar to the Amber 7440. See that? See that? See that? Right. So there you have it. So how to remove a taillight and all your taillight bulbs, which I will grab because I need them for my blind spots. So while I took out this taillight, there's still this one, but I'm right-handed. So I'm going to show you how to take apart the rest of the taillights, which are the trunk taillights. Ready to the liberty of taking apart all 3. 1, 2, and there's a third one right at the edge of my finger, if you can see that. There, come on. You see him. That's stud. Look at that stud right there. What a nice stud. But that is after I remove this guy with all these clips. So you gotta pull these clips out. So this is a continuation to this one. This is how to remove this taillight and all the taillights in your Honda Civic 2020. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.